Hi friends, today I'm going to show you another Bramble Fox video, and this one came together so easily. I'm using the August Hip Kit kit and it's funny because I'm making a winter layout, but these blue papers were perfect for my photo from our winter vacation in Iceland. And I thought that wavy paper was the perfect background for that geyser photo we had. So I'm starting off with fussy cutting that paper and creating a base for my photo. So I'm using another pattern paper from that August kit, and that is a light blue. And you know, light blues and real blues are pretty hard in collections. It's always teal-like colors, and I'm sorry for that movement of the camera because that punch is not the most easy one. But it's always teal colors or aquas, or so I was really happy that this kit had light blues, real blues. So I'm gluing that upper paper, the wavy one, I'm taping it down to those light blue torn strips. And then I want that punched paper to peek out underneath on some some points, not the entire strip, but just a bit of peeking. And as you see, I taped the wrong side of that one, so I simply tape the other side and put a protective film back again. And then I decide at one edge I want to use that pom-pom trim. I love that pom-pom trim. It's a bit of an obsession. So in the hip kit were these gorgeous borders, and I decided that I wanted to incorporate that scalloped one. And the Bramble Fox January kit has this gorgeous, so cute um, iced sweater. I don't know how you call that because it's transparent but not completely. Frosted is the word, I think. And it's so cute, so I had to use it on this layout. And also, again, the perfect blue. I'm a happy girl when it comes to blue. And at this point I decide perhaps I want to create a round title, and I always use a breakfast plate for drawing my circles, but in the end I decide to do different. But that plate is quite present in this video, and in the end I don't use it. So I've backed my photo with that same light blue paper as I use in that background, and time to stick that photo down, and I'm using another scalloped border from the kit, and still not really happy with that plate or the circle I was planning, so I decide not to create a circle but to create a straight title. And since it's the August kit, it is a summary kit with lots of vacation phrases and words, and since this was a vacation, only not summer, I decide to use that word vacation and incorporate the gorgeous winter title from the Bramble Fox January subscription. So the Foxbox January has these gorgeous titles, and it's winter but not too wintry because you will see that in another video. So it's very versatile, this Foxbox, and gorgeous as always. And that winter title is a beautiful dark gray. It's not black, it's a dark gray. I love it. And it matches all those papers so well. So using a bit of glossy accents to glue that title down, I love that font. And in the meantime, I'm trying to glue that sweater down, but I don't know why, but sometimes it simply won't stick. And when it doesn't stick, I use that tacky tape. I think it's called tacky tape with the red lining on it. Because that's really clear, so you don't see it when you have a frosted or clear perspective. So I'm adding some other small embellishments from that hip kit, and that's about it. I want to finish it off with some Nouveau drops in matching colors because I love Nouveau drops almost as much as I love splattering, but I thought this layout was not suited for splattering. So that will be the final thing I will be doing to this layout. That sounds a bit abusive when I say doing to. But I will be adding, as you see, some Nouveau drops. And I use three different colors, a pale blue, a metallic blue, and a glitter blue, because life is always better with glitters. And then I'm finished. So I hope you like it, and please let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. So see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.